Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am not feeling good at all today. So I just have to get this video out to you guys real fast. So today I'm going to be reviewing this wig, and the company that this wig is from is SoGood Hair. This is a bob. It's a lace front bob. It's 150% density, and the cost of this is $84. And I've been had this wig for a minute now, and the video has been postponed a lot because I just have other stuff that I have to do. And so this is not like an official back to YouTube type of thing. I just need to get this video out for this company. The hair is, I'm not gonna lie, the hair is some really nice quality hair. The only thing that I had a problem with was the parting space. It's so limited. Like this right here, like that's how much parting space it has, like right there. And I cannot vibe with it, so that's why I really wasn't wearing the wig as much. It's because I like mine to have like a deep parting space, and this one just did not have it. But the hair is styled in like this cut, like this. So this is the cut of it. Now I don't usually like I like my stuff to be like even, so if I was to actually wear this wig, I would kind of like cut it. That's just me, that's just my preference, that's just what I prefer. The hair is some good hair. It's Brazilian, and I just feel like it's really good hair. And this wig is perfect for you if you're looking for something that's convenient, that's on the go, something short and quick. I would say just go ahead and try this wig out. Again, the company name is SoGood Hair. It's 150% density. It is 12 inches, and it's a Brazilian lace front bob wig. Y'all look, stiff what? Like, it's really good hair, honestly. It's some good hair, but it's just, I just wouldn't like, it wouldn't be my go-to wig, honestly. And I'm just being honest. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just, I'm more like of a long hair type of person, and I don't like my wigs to be like this. The communication with the seller was great. The website is easy to navigate, it's easy to understand, and the shipping was also pretty quickly. And I know you guys have probably seen me wear this wig on one of my Instagram pictures. I did wear it a long time ago, but I just wasn't in a position to actually sit down and film. I had somewhere to go, and then it just got too late, and like things just started happening, so I was like never able to get a video out. And you've also been wondering how I got the messy bun, which I'll put on the screen. That was also this wig, but that's just like something that just happened. Like, honestly, I don't even know how I came about to getting the messy wig. It just literally happened. And so I will eventually get those videos out, but as of right now, I'm not on YouTube like that because I have other things. You know, like if YouTube was paying the bills, and if I was like guaranteed success with YouTube, then I could make YouTube like a full-time thing. But I work and I go to school, and sometimes I just need like me time, you know? So yes, that's that. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I will be back on YouTube eventually, but right now I'm just getting everything in life together, you know, just figuring everything out. I will also like insert some pictures of the wig, or if you have any questions about the wig that you want to like DM me, you know, that you don't want to ask on YouTube or whatever, be sure to just DM me because I respond. I'm mostly on my Instagram and my Snapchat. That's like the quickest way to reach me. YouTube would probably be like the last thing that I get to. YouTube is after emails. Like, I check my emails like actively because like class, work, everything like that, like emails are important, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.